Okay friends, now we have complete the face work. We have replaced the face panel and we have shaped the floor panel. You can see how it's looking freaking awesome. It's all looking original. And also guys, we have fixed the wire harness and the steering column. All work have been done. Now the thing we have to do is, you can see the back panel. It was so rusty. See how damn it is. And also the panel also, there are so many metal fillers, you can see, and the whole panel get rusted. So guys, we have decided to replace the back panel. Guys, this is the reconditioned side panel. We can see it was looking good. At the same time, this is just high flow, but we have to lower it down a little bit. So in our country they told this is just low. Okay guys, now we have to remove the floor panel first. Let's see what's happening. take off the body panel, it get heavily rusted. We can see at the same time this area also got so many rust in this area. We have nicely cleaned up this area, and we have spray oil, and it couldn't be rust anymore. So guys, we have shaped the metal sheet for here. You can see, and also for this part too. So guys, we have to weld this metal sheets. Finally guys, we have to set off this body panel. We all have grinded this metal sheet. Now we have fixed the body panel, and we have fixed the rear door and the sliding door. We can see, guys, see this, the door gap was super perfect, and the light gaps. As you see guys, now sliding door also, those are freaking awesome. You can see the gaps, door gaps, and also we have fixed the tire. Now it's looking pretty good. Side body panel works. You can see how it's clean and perfect, and also we have welded the inside mata cover. Now it's looking freaking awesome. So guys, in the floor panel there are so many rusts and patches we can see. So guys, we have to replace the metal sheets Okay guys, let's see what's gonna happen.
I was looking into darkness, something to hold on. Found you when you were so broken. Felt something was wrong. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Ooh, I'm in love with you. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.
You can see guys, there are so many metal pillars they have filled. Yeah, see. Here see. We have some dents in here. We have to pull it off. At the same time there are corrosion underneath. Okay friends, now we have welded the metal sheet. We have shaped it original, you can see. So guys, now it's time to metal filler work. Let's see what's happening.